Hello there everybody and welcome back to Crafty Canine. I'm Sophie. Today we're doing another unboxing. It is also diamond art by Leisure Arts. This one is named Palm Sunset. Sorry for the dust. I also got this one on sale at Hobby Lobby. Yes, I went a little overboard. No, I do not care. Okay. Trying to get my fingers in there. There we go. Alright. So let's see what this one's got to offer. Alright. This one's got 37 colors. Okay, so I'm not going to open up this bag because I already did a bag from them in the last video. But it's got the squishy, the pen, enough bags to actually keep them all. Got the wax, which looks like 2 again. We've got a dual multi-placer. And then we've got the tray. Okay, these are some nice colors. Well, duh, it's a sunset. Sometimes I forget what I'm getting the diamonds from, so I am sorry about that. And yes, I do talk to myself very often. I am a very entertaining person to talk to. And I'm not saying that any of you guys should talk to me, just that I enjoy talking to myself. Okay, so we've got a bunch of 310s, if that DMC is correct, which it looks like it's correct because 310 is black. We got some coral. Got some wonderful colors. Let's see what the next one has. I kind of like this dusty blue. I also kind of like purpley. So yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Let's see if we can put these back together. That might be it. Let's see. Okay, so let's look at the canvas, shall we? Now I know none of these are very big, but that's okay. There we go. Isn't that pretty? So this is Palm Sunset. And it is a nice sunset. I will give you that. Alright, let's roll this guy back up. Okay, getting it started is always the hardest. Come here. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to bump you guys. Now let's take a good look at these instructions real quick. I just want to take a quick look-see. Not bad. And also in French. Not bad. Okay. Well, I will see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Alright. Bye.